In this video, I'm going to show you how to map statuses, task types, priorities, and custom fields from Jira to PI and PI to Jira. What you'll do is go to the configuration page of your Project Insight for Jira add-on, and you'll note in their mapping here, there's mapping users. We're not going to go over that, but we have map status types, Jira to PI, and then PI to Jira. So this side over here means when a task or an issue from Jira comes to PI, this is the mapping rules you'll use. And then when there's a task coming from PI into Jira, here's the mapping rules. So click on Jira to PI. Then on the left, you'll see the Jira status types. These are all the different types and how they map to Project Insights work statuses. These I've already done. You can edit one by simply saying, okay, if it's backlog, then I want it to be not started. And when it's done in Jira, or done A or done B or to do, like done equals done, selected for development, I want it to go to in progress, but I could change that to say, no, I want it to be started. And then that's how it'll map. When a task comes from Jira or an issue comes from Jira, selected for development, it'll turn a task in PI to started. Now, when I go down here, if I want to do a new rule for PI to Jira, now on the left, you'll see the PI work status and then what status you'd like it to be when the task goes into Jira. It works the same exact way. In progress in Project Insight goes to in progress in Jira. Almost done in Project Insight goes to in progress. But again, I could change this to say I want it to go to something else, selected for development or backlog. These are all your configured values in Jira. These are all your configured values in Project Insight. They are completely customizable. Same thing goes for task types or priorities. If I want a priority in Jira, the highest priority in Jira can go to the high priority in Project Insight. The medium can go to medium. Now, these are obviously ones you want, but sometimes, in this case, Jira has an extra one, like lowest, and I just want lowest in Jira to go to low. But when we go to map the priorities from PI to Jira, we want the high to go to the highest, then we want the medium to go to medium, and then we want low and ours to just go to the regular low. I could choose between these two this way. And now all the priorities are mapped. So this works the same way for all of these three map status types, map task types, and map priorities. It's that straightforward.